When the power switch is in the on position, you can adjust the outside mirrors with these buttons on the driver's armrest. Use these buttons to select which mirror you wish to adjust. Then use this switch to move the mirror to the desired position. Push this switch to fold the outside mirrors. Push the switch again to unfold the mirrors. If your vehicle is equipped with heated outside mirrors, the rear window defroster button will automatically heat your outside mirrors. If your vehicle is equipped with the reverse tilt-down feature, one or both of the outside mirrors will turn downward to provide better rear visibility close to the vehicle when you are backing up. To use, push the power switch to the on position and select the left or right outside mirror. Move the shift selector to reverse, and one or both of the outside mirrors will turn downward. You can then use the mirror adjustment switch to adjust the selected mirror's tilt-down position. The mirror will return to this position the next time the tilt-down feature is activated. The mirror surfaces will return to their original position when the vehicle is shifted to any position other than reverse, the selected mirror is deselected, or the power switch is placed in the off position. When neither mirror is selected, the reverse tilt-down feature will be disabled. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.